Tosho karigano cia mwanya hota mutugo na ithaa ria thaa 10 ithaa ria matemo ithaa ria tukumenyithagia mohoro na njira nguhi maria tukurehe na njira ndikiru makiria wona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 njitago muriki wa mucoki na maya nimo matemo maria tuli namo gukinya ithaa riri ni kurumirire gucania atongoria atwarithia a nduthi mbere ya President William Ruto muthenya wa ira mwaho wa umwe ukiregana na utongoria uria tukoretwo kurunguru wa kiama kia atwarithia a bodaboda guku bururi-ini makiregana na Kevin Mubadi gukorwo ari muikariri giti wa atwarithia a nduthi guku bururi-ini. President Ruto ona kohonora uguo ni amoritie matigetikire kugayukanio ni nyota ya atongoria na oho akamera ati thirikari yake ni kurutithania wira na andu othe na ituithanie njatũkano iria ciiyumiritie. Mwandigitwo mohoro gwitwo Jenga wa Wambui no ina ripoti eno.
Ni mucemanio wa mbere wa President William Ruto na atwarithia a nduthi kuma riria aingirire wabici ukihe kanya atwarithia a nduthi kwiiturura kuri president na mabataro maria matumitwo ni atwarithia a nduthi milioni 1.8 kuma kona itiganite bururi-ini.
Your Excellency, with the program that you are having on affordable housing, I am sure those houses when they are built, our member atafika pale kwa gate, afunguliwe gate na askari, aingie kwa compound, apaki piki yake vizuri.
Watu wa bodaboda wanakaa kwa slums na wengi wao Mheshimiwa Rais wanakaa manyumba ambayo hawaelewi kama wanaenda kwa bedroom ama wanatoka kwa sitting room.
No ona mucemanio uyu tathiete muno nyatukano gatagati ka atwarithia a nduthi ikeyumiria king'ang'a-ini thutha wa chairman wa ngwataniro ya Umbrella Association of Kenya kumira mbere ya president na kumwira atongoria aria othe mararitie mbere yake kwi aria maramatumite na matirarehetwo ni mabataro ma atwarithia a nduthi
ambayo wako hapa leo. Sisi hawa sio viongozi wa bodaboda. I am the National Bodaboda Chairman for Umbrella Bodaboda Association of Kenya. Wale vijana ambao wanaongea hapa kwa niaba yetu, wanaongea kwa sababu wako na cartels ambao walikuwa wamekaa mbele yao, ambao wanawasukuma kulete karibu na wewe. Sisi tulisimama na wewe. Ni sawa.
With all due respect tunajuana. Lakini kuna wengi ambao wako huko nje Mheshimiwa Rais ambao hawakujumuishwa hapa, lakini tungependa next time wajumuishwe wote. Si hivyo?
Ni undu rarurumurire marakara maria marari guku o nginyagia riria marahoreririo mareke Lesatin arikie akiuga tatongoria a ngwataniro yake matinarekwo maingire ni undu wa murugamo wake.
Haya, naomba tafadhali tutulie. Malizia Tuto.
Haya, kwa heshima Rais, najua kwamba sisi hatukupata nafasi ya kuleta members wetu hapa. Tutaalika Rais kwa mkutano yetu ya Umbrella Bodaboda Association of Kenya kwa sababu sisi tulipigania hii serikali.
Ni ndeto ireganitwo nayo ni mwahu wa utongoria wa muikariri giti wa ngwataniro ya atwarithia a nduthi bururi-ini Kevin Mubadi makiuga gutiri uretitwo mucemanio ucio na kimenyano na makoretwo makiruta wira wao na uma na wigerereki.
The public to know that as a sector we are not involved in politics. We don't want to be part of the politics. What we want to grow is our economic empowerment as the riders of this country.
Ni kweli kwamba watu wameniuliza maswali mengi. Hata ukienda kwa mtandao saa hizi ama uende kwa simu yangu, kuna wengine wananitumia message kusema kwa nini sisi hatuko kwa KICC. Kwa sababu ni njia gani tulifikia wale ambao wako hapa.
President William Ruto amoritie manine njatũkano yao akiongerera ati ndegwitikira atwarithia a nduthi mahuthirwo kuhingia iroto cia andu kiumbe cia ũteti.
Mimi nitajipanga na siasa kando na bodaboda. Tunaelewana? Siasa yangu mimi najua kujipanga na mambo mengine. Na mimi sitaki tulete siasa ndani ya biashara ya watu wengine.
Ohugite ihinda ni ikinyu ruhonge rwa ukui na nduthi ruheo gitio kiria kiagirire makiria hoka ni gukuria utonga wa bururi. Uthuthuria ukionania o mwaka atwarithia a nduthi milioni 1.8 marathukuma bilioni 350 kugo muthenya marathukuma bilioni 1. Ngiribotera INooro TV njitagwo Jenga Wambui.
Tukotole kaunti ya Kiambu kule thirikari ya kaunti no rungu rwa governor Kimani wa Matangi ne rugoreti mubango wa gwaka weru thitejia matatu thiini wa tauni ino ya Kiambu utha gukorwo itiganeirio ni thirikari hituku o ni thutha waria mahuragira biashara cia thiteji ne hamwe na nginya matereba ngari cia ukui wa muingi gukorwo magiteta kwa ihinda iraya.
Aturada tuthondeke stage ino ikorwo stage njega tumikire yo the cabro na muno na kumwe twikire ramini undu wa mai tucoke tuthondeke mitaro miega ya kuruta mai nanja twikire shedi ati mundu ehahetereire ngari kungiura we handu ngeikara we shedi ona inyu mukihura biashara ngikoni aria makuaga haha kana we wa gwikira andu kana we dereva he handu mungeikara
wambere ni ukena ndirakena heda stage ino irathondekwo tondu kahinda kare twari hau hindi ngiri kundu kunu kurakorwo na jamu koguo tugikorwo kuna urotu wa guthondekwo ri no tukorwo tukenete
na ni tuona ni mundu wa ciiko na wa ciugo na uria tu promisire no gutungienda kumucokeria ngatho na akinyire hau.
Kigomono kia arutani anene a thukuru cia secondary kaunti-ini ya Mombasa ni kianjiriirie na kirehete hamwe arutani makiria 7,000 kuma guothe bururi-ini hamwe na mari megukorwo makiarĩrĩrio ni njira cia kugacĩrithia ũkinyanĩria wa gĩthomo na makiria ũhoro wĩgiĩ mabuku ma gũthomwo ni arutwo na rĩrĩ thĩ yothe ĩrecũrania igũrũ rĩa ugitiri wa riera na mari maturigicĩirie arutani ane mekwaririe njira cia kunyihia uhuthiri wa kuruga mathukuru-ini kuona uhuthiri wago ni ucangeire hanene hari uthukagia wa mititu.
Shule zinaweza kufanya mambo ya green energy wa kwanza kwa kupanda miti, we call it clean energy, kwa kupanda miti na pia kuhakikisha recycling of the books.
Watoe tax kwa karatasi because kama nchi sioni kama tuko na kampuni ambayo inatengeza karatasi. So karatasi yetu mara mingi inatoka nje. So labda serikali ingetoa ushuru kwa karatasi na pia itoe ushuru kwa vitabu.
As we discuss this year, we are looking at a wide range of theme. We are looking at enhancing effectiveness and efficiency in education in Kenya. We want to look at how efficient and how effective have we been in the last 1 year.
Kogena kumuikaririe wa bodi ya NHIF Michael Kamau ni agite na ihinda iritu mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya bururi igi ugima wa mwiri agicokia ciuria ciegie marihi ma kandi ya NHIF. Kamiti ino irathuthuria ungumania uria ugumire ruhonge ruru uria kuruhanĩtie mathibitari ngũrani kuria mamwe mamo marikitie kuhingwo.
This committee will not watch as individuals within the NHIF mismanage the public money. NHIF is one of the key institutions that this government intends to deliver on its universal health care. And as a committee, we'll ensure that we hold the NHIF accountable for that. More often when we ask for an inquiry like this, you'll find that changes are done in the ministry to frustrate the committee in terms of its investigations, where you have officers maybe being deployed somewhere else, being removed from their various places of work, and being taken to other areas. We have the powers to summon even those officers who might be taken to somewhere else. So for smooth running, we intend that let's maintain the status quo of those officers until this inquiry is over. But this does not interfere with the recruitment of the NHIF CEO and senior management. It does not in any way interfere with it. That one, the NHIF can go ahead, recruit the CEO, but those other officers will still hold them accountable for this.
Hano tukinyia muthia kana twikira gaturumo matemo maitu ma ithaa riri mohoro magiota mutugo ko mamukira ona cihanda thaa 1 na thaa 3 no ririkane umuthi ni muthenya wa keri ni muthenya wa taukiro egukinyira wona cihanda thaa 3 nita umuriki wa musho.
The marrying off of an underage girl has caught these women's attention.
All the women where they walk up and down, that one no do. Hey! Holy Ghost! Fire!
And the battle is now between the wives and their husbands. And the wives are relentless in their cause.
That's it. I don't strike. One, your wife. I know they fight trouble.
Will the husbands look for other options? Or do they have the keys to unlock the treasure?
I know waiting I will. The last time I buy flour, you know what she asked me? Whether she be good?
Watch this hilarious and informative African drama of Wives on Strike.
Women power!
Only on viewsasa.com or dial *487*3#.
The new mobile money service imefika. Vuma ni wallet yako ya kurahisisha. Download Vuma app just like that. Ama join ukidial *844#8. Kutop up ni Visa au Mastercard. Pesa Vuma to Vuma ni free kutuma. Yo yo. Kufanya transfer to any bank ni kuvuma. Vuma, Vuma, Vuma.
To join, dial *844# and download the Vuma app now. Load cash to your wallet through Vuma agents or your bank, or go to your nearest KCB bank branch, ATM, or agent. Let your money flow with Vuma.
Asante kwa kunipigia simu. Je, wajua kwamba mimi nafanya kazi ya salon na watengeneza nywele kwa mitindo yote na ya kisasa. Iwe ni weaves, braids, blow dry, manicure, pedicure na zinginezo. Wasiliana nami kupata huduma zangu. Asante kwa kuchagua huduma zangu.
Jera, ni kumare nywere mukoretwo hamwe. Nikirani Bill. Ni joe ni umwendete.
Kuona mundu uri ogukuhiriirie ni ambiriria gucenjia mikarire yake ri munyite guoko muri araigua atia.
Shield your families from germs. When Dettol is a part of every household bucket, then you and your family can stay protected from up to 100 illness-causing germs.
Everyday use of Dettol keeps my loved ones protected.